Hello everyone, how to integrate and how to configure the Foodics with Odoo. So for that, as we know, for the first thing we required is Foodics account. So for that, we have a Sandbox account now. So let me open the Sandbox account over here. And now we need to enter the account number, email address and password. So as we have the detail with me, so I am adding that detail. Okay, and we are login. So now we can see the dashboard and everything from the Foodics side. So that is the first step we need to do, login into the accounts. Then the second thing is we required is the client ID and secret key that we need to configure at the side of Odoo, so that we will keep it for now. Then we need to the redirect link. The redirect link is nothing but the Odoo server, so we need to set up with the same Odoo server with the same redirect link which we are going to pass in the Foodics. So we are going to open that as well. So as I am already login with admin and I am already login, so I redirect to this page. Now in Odoo side, the first step we need to do is install the modules. So let me search with the Foodics. So here we can see these are the two modules that we need to install. So we can select this toe and active this module. So once it will actives, we can see we just refresh the page and we can see the apps will be over here, like the Foodics connector. So if you open there is no connector, like there is no connection we have established now. So we need to create a new connector and we can say connection 1. Okay, and as we are using the Sandbox account, so for the testing, so we are selecting the mode as a Sandbox, but when we come to the production, so we just need to select the production over here, and the base URL also it will got update when we change the production. So you can see here for the production it will take this URL, and for the Sandbox it will take a different URL. So this is the different for that. Then for the client key we need to copy, let me copy the client key from here and the secret key as well. So we need to add the client key and the secret key over here. Okay, then the code. So to generate the token we need to add the code, and how we need to generate the code. So for that also, yes, the redirect URL also we need to mention over here. So for that let me copy this URL and add it over here, and the code. So the code we need to generate by manually, as due to the security purpose, Foodics will not generate, or Foodics will not allow to generate any code by the coding. So for that we need to do some manual steps. So for that we just need to okay, let me prepare one URL. Okay, let me copy it, let me paste it over here. So what we need to do is there is a Sandbox URL. On that Sandbox URL we need to put the authorization equal to and our client ID. So I have already copied the client ID and the state equal to test. Also the same step we can see in the Foodics document as well. The same step they are saying, like prepare a URL like this, and the client ID and the state. Okay, so based on this step, once we just need to click enter, and it will automatically redirect me to the Odoo side. Yes, and here we can see in the URL we are getting the code. So this code, as per the Foodics document, it will okay for the 1600 seconds. So we just need to put the code over here, just copy the code from there and put it over here and save the records and generate token. Once we click on the generate token, it will automatically generate the token for us and it will automatically placed over here. Okay, there are the simple steps, as well as like for the manual steps we have added a guidelines over here to generate the token, like what are the steps we need to perform, and the system will automatically generate the token here for us. And after that, just once we get the generate, then we just need to confirm the authorization. So now we have authorized over here. Okay, then we have added one operations field over here. So that is for the operation, like what are the operations we can perform, like automatically sync or the text, user, branch, customers, products. What are the sync we need to do, that for that we have added manual sync as well as the automatic sync. So we are ready for the connect, like we are ready for the integration now, as we have already defined the token and the client ID, secret IDs and codes, everything is there. So once we done and once it is authorized, that means like it will, we are good to go with the integration. Okay, so these are the steps which I have told you, that is for the generate the token. Now in the next video we will see how to sync up and all things. Okay, good day, bye bye.